My name is Paul Scott Black, and I am the Bow Tie Gourmet. Dinger, knock, knock.
Who's there?
Bacon.
Bacon who?
I'm baking you a birthday cake.
That's hilarious, Daddy.
Today, I'm going to be baking Dinger a cake for his first birthday, and it's going to be great. So, let's roll up our sleeves and get to cooking.
Alright gang, you're going to start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees. Then you're going to take a 6-inch round cake pan or a 9x5 inch bread pan, which is what I've used, and line it with parchment paper. Then you're going to give it a little cooking spray just to keep it from sticking. Next, to a bowl you're going to add 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour. To the flour, we will add 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, next will be 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Then we're going to add 1/4 cup of unsweetened applesauce. Next will be 1 large egg. Last, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of honey. Dinger is usually close by to check on progress. Then you're just going to mix it with a spatula until it's combined. Checking out the progress? Then you're just going to pour the batter into the pan. Okay, alright, you want to lick the ball? You want to preview? There you go, buddy. Then you're just going to take your spatula and smooth it out. Then it's going to go into the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes, and when it comes out, you just need to take a toothpick and make sure that it comes out clean. Then we're going to let our cake cool completely in the pan. And we're just going to flip it out onto a plate. Then we're going to make some whipped cream to frost the cake, because that's what Dinger loves. Tie a bow on it, because it's done. A delicious homemade dog cake just for Dinger on his first birthday. Look at that good boy just waiting for his cake. I don't know who's more excited, Dinger or Braden. Christine, Braden, and I had a great time celebrating Dinger's first birthday.
Baking is a lot of fun when you're doing it for your super pup. My name is Paul Scott Black, and I am the Bow Tie Gourmet. Please subscribe to my channel to see future videos, and thanks to Dinger for co-starring in this one. I'm sure it won't be his last. Please click, share, and like videos. Thanks.